Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us to watch this video. And today is going to be a very simple video. It might not be a short one, but it's going to be simple. And all we're doing here is showing you how to send a message through the error system if you don't like something that's going on in the code. And also what you do if you have to terminate it. Let's say you're programming a robot and all of a sudden the robot starts killing people. You're going to want to shut the robot down as fast as you can. And the fastest way to do that is to execute the sys.exit to shut him down. That's how you shut your code down in an emergency. You use that. So of course I can't really show you how that works because all it's going to do is show you like, okay, we killed the program. It's kind of boring. You just need to know that, it's there. If you need it, like the shotgun that, over the fireplace in case a bear breaks in the door. Oh, well, I don't know. Maybe you guys don't live where I do. Anyway, the point is let's get the boring part done and out of the way. And then we'll go and take a look at the sample code.
10.4 Redirection and Termination. The sys module also has attributes for stin, stout, and stare. The latter is useful for emitting warnings and error messages to make them visible even when stout has been redirected. sys.stare.route.
Boring.
The most direct way to terminate a script is to use sys.exit.
All right. Well, the boring part's done. Let's go and take a look at the example code I've got for you guys. And here we are in the sample code. It would have been boring if all I had in here was, hey, look, oh, look, look, here's the error message in the output. And instead, I want to add a little something in there to kind of build on understanding the scope, I guess is what we want to talk about, of where this stuff is and how you find out just exactly what everything can do. Okay, so what do? We go and we use our directory to the sys, that's the house. Then we go into the basement, sys sc or whatever, and then we want to find out what's in one of the rooms in the basement, right? All right, then let's go ahead and run the code. Chugga, 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 boom. All right, and with that, let's go ahead and run off to the output and take a look at it. And here we are in the output, and for whatever reason, it sends out that error message first before it does any of the printing stuff. Example 1. Now here's all the different methods underneath in the sys library, okay? And don't pay attention to any of those with the underscores. These are the ones that don't have the underscores in front of them. You can access. You can access this stuff too. We talked about that in the past, but there's, the underscores, they really don't want you to mess with those. You can, but you shouldn't. All right, so this is the house. So there's all these different methods here, including, look, the argv is in here somewhere too. Where'd it go? There it is, all the way over here. All right, then here in the second little block of code, this is what's hiding out in the basement. Look, you got a seekable, towel, truncate. Let's go into the room. What are we looking for? Right. Okay, so here's the right method that we're calling to send out the error message. And on the side here, look, oh no, there aren't any callable methods underneath the right, as there shouldn't be. And when you get to the bottom, I mean, there's a floor there. You can't go any further down, so there aren't any methods there in right. Although, as you can see here, you still have access to all these other methods that the system, that uses and that you're really not supposed to screw with. Okay? All right, with that, you guys go out there. Be careful on those one wheels. I hear they're pretty dangerous. I heard there's a recall going on. Anyway, see you in the next video.